We are going to introduce humidifier. This one is Vincent VHB10A European plug. Here is the thermometer. Inside, it is a filter paper. Another model is SH330. That thermometer. This is autoclavable for adult water tank. This is a neonate water tank. You can see the size is smaller, and we can see the size same. The water tank is compatible with each other. Also, this is a facial packle. Facial packle, we can check. It's also fitting. So for the water tank, usually they are compatible with each other.